Welcome back, dear students. So this is going to be the last class on the rational and irrational number, the last exercise. So the first question for today is question number 11, which says if p is equals to this much and q is equals to this much, find the values of all these four stuffs. So given is p is equals to 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5. So we will rationalize it. Okay, so let's see what we get. So we get so we have 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5. So a plus b is there in the denominator, so I'll multiply by a minus b. Okay, so numerator, you see it is in the form of a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and the denominator is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So we have 2 minus root 5 whole square, so it is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square whole divided by 2 square is 4 minus root 5 square is 5. So then this is 4 minus 4 root 5 plus 5 whole divided by minus 1. So that is, so 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 minus root 4 root 5 by minus 1. So if you see this, this is equals to 4 root 5 minus 9. Because minus 1 dividing by minus 1 is equivalent to multiplying by minus 1. So when you multiply by minus 1, you get this much. So this is your p. Similarly, we'll find what is q as well. So we have q is equal to 2 plus root 5 whole divided by 2 minus root 5. So we will rationalize the denominator. So you see, I'll multiply by, we'll multiply by 2 plus root 5 to both numerator and denominator. Now in this case, the numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is 2 plus root 5 whole square, and the denominator is as usual 2 square minus root 5 square. So you see it is a plus b whole square, so it is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square whole divided by, you have 4 minus 5. So again, as usual, we have 4 plus 4 root 5 plus 5 by minus 1. So this time it is 9 plus 4 root 5 by minus 1, which is equal to minus 9 minus 4 root 5. Okay, so we got what is p and what is q. Now let's find out what is the answer for the first one. So number 1 is p plus q. So what is p? P is 4 root 5 minus 9 plus q is minus 9 minus 4 root 5. Okay, so let's open the bracket. So we have plus into minus is minus 9, so plus into minus is minus 4 root 5. So you see these two gets cancelled, so your answer is minus 18. So the first answer is minus 18. Second one, we have p minus q. So p is 4 root 5 minus 9 minus q. Q is minus 9 minus 4 root 5. So let's open the bracket again. 4 root 5 minus 9 plus 9 plus 4 root 5 this time. So you see minus 9 and plus 9 gets cancelled. 4 root 5 gives you 8 root 5. Okay, so we got these two answers. So we'll do 3 and 4 later. First you pause the video and note down your solution. So we have seen that the answer for the first one is minus 18 and for the second one is 8 root 5. Okay, so next we need to find what is p square plus q square. So number 3 is p square plus q square. So there's a formula for p square plus q square, and that is p plus q whole square minus 2pq. Okay, so you see what is p plus q whole square? P plus q whole square means p plus q is what? It is minus 18, so it is whole square minus 2 into pq. P into q basically it is. Okay, so how do you find p into q? We have found the value of p, we have found the value of q. Okay, So instead of using those two values, I'll be using these two values. Okay, so P is 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5 into Q is 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5. You see these two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled. So what is minus square? It is plus. So 18 square is, so 18 into 18, let's do that. So 8 is a 64, 8 ones are 8, plus 6 is 14, so it is 18. So add them up, 4, so 2, 3, so it is 324, minus how much is this? It is just 2 into 1, which is 2. So then your answer is 322 for number 3. Let's do number 4, the last one, which is p square minus q square. Now this is in the formula p into q into p minus q. So what is p into p plus q? P plus q is minus 18. What is p minus q? It is 8 root 5. So just multiply, you'll get your answer. So 8 is a 64, carry over 6, 8 ones are 8, plus 6 is, it is a 64, sorry, it is 4. So it's going to be 144 root 5. So we have done question number 11. Now we will do one more question. So you may pause the video and note down your solution. So here we have the last question. It's same again. It's same again. Okay. So we have given is, okay, so given is x is equals to root 2 minus 1 whole divided by root 2 plus 1, and you see y is also given. So y is given to be root 2 plus 1 whole divided by root 2 minus 1. So let's rationalize the denominator. So we have root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. We will multiply by root 2 minus 1. Now numerator is in the form of a minus b whole square. Denominator is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square whole divided by root 2 square is 2 minus 1. So root 2 square is 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 1 whole divided by 1. So basically this is equals to 3 minus 2 root 2. Similarly, we will find out what is y. So we have root 2 plus 1 whole divided by root 2 minus 1. Let's multiply by root 2 plus 1. So then denominator is root 2 minus root 2 whole square minus 1 square. Numerator is in the form of root 2 plus 1 whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square whole divided by root 2 square is 2 minus 1. So it is 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 1 by 1, that is 3 plus 2 root 2. Now see, question is asking us to find what is x square plus 5xy plus y square. You see xy is also there, no? So let's find out what is xy. So xy is equals to, what is x? Either you can apply this, but I'll be applying this. Okay, so x is root 2 minus 1 whole divided by root 2 plus 1 into y is root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. You see these two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled. So xy is 1. So therefore you have x square plus 5xy plus y square is equal to, so before we directly substitute the value, I'm going to do small simplification here. So the simplification is, can I write this as x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 3xy? Definitely, because 2xy plus 3xy gives us 5xy. But this much is how much? This is x plus y whole square. So we have, now we can directly put the value. So what is x? X is 3 minus 2 root 2 plus what is y? Y is 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square plus 3 into xy is 1. So you see these two gets cancelled. So it is 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 square plus 3 it is. 6 square is 36 plus 3. So your answer is 39. Okay. So with this we are done with the exercise. Thank you very much.